Hi, this is King of Review. The following graph represents which system of inequalities? Let's first look at this line here. We want to put this in y equals mx plus b form. This is slope-intercept form, where m is slope and b is the y-intercept. So for this line, where does it cross the y-axis? It crosses right here. This is at -2. Therefore, b is equal to -2. Now let's find the slope. If we have 2 points here, we can determine the slope. Slope is rise over run, and this is going down 1 over 1. So slope is equal to -1 over 1, which equals -1. So our line is y equals -x minus 2. Now let's determine which inequality sign to use. We see that we have a dotted line, therefore the sign will either be greater than or less than. We see everything above this dotted line is shaded, therefore y is greater than -x minus 2. Here's our first inequality. Now let's look at this line. Again, we want this in y equals mx plus b form. Looking at our line, where does it cross the y-axis? It crosses the y-axis here at 2. Therefore, b is equal to 2. And looking for another point on the line, we see one right here. So now we can figure out the slope. So here we're going down 5 and over 1. So the slope is equal to -5 over 1, which equals -5. So our line is y equals -5x plus 2. And now, which inequality sign do we use? We see we have a dotted line, so it will either be greater than or less than. We see here that everything below the dotted line is shaded. Therefore, y is less than -5x plus 2. And this is the second inequality in our system. Letter A is correct. Thanks for watching.